Shot fake, jab, dribble, pull up. Next drill is step back jumper. Elbow shooting drill, catch and shoot. Receiver, jab first, shoot. Shot fake, jab step, trip, tutok nyo muna yung bola. Tutok nyo muna. Shot fake muna. At taas nyo, yan. Tsaka kayo gumalaw. Taas nyo muna. Mabilis, pagkakuha, angat kagad. Next, backdoor floater. Backdoor floater. Backdoor floater. Next, dribble to, pass floater. Pasa mo. Dribble handoff. Ayan o, dribble handoff. Pass. Floater. Okay, good. Magsalita tayo lahat.